The console.log instruction can do more than display small bits of text. It can also display the value of a variable. Imagine a box labeled first name. This box will hold a value that represents our first name. We can then use console.log to display our first name in the program's output. This is what it'll look like in our code. The first line should look familiar to you. Here, we're simply creating the variable first name. The next line is where things get interesting. The program will notice that the parameter of the console.log instruction is a variable, not text. This is because first name in the parameters has no quotation marks. So, instead of displaying the text first name in the output, the program searches its memory for the value of the variable first name. This value will then replace the name of the variable. At this point, our program will output the text educode. However, if you enclose first name in the parameter with quotation marks, the program will simply output it as text. Let's try this out ourselves. In the code editor, replace the first question mark with your name. Don't forget the quotation marks. Then, replace the second question mark with the variable first name. Run your code to see the program output your name using the variable.